Signs are pointing to a breakout year for home sales. Anthony Lolli, founder and CEO of Rapid Realty Franchise, joins us this morning via Skype. Good morning to you. And will 2013 be a breakout year for the housing market?
Absolutely. We're already seeing an uptick at the tail end of 2012. We saw a tremendous amount of closed transactions, which is unusual during the holiday season. People usually tighten their belts and don't make any major investments. But in December, especially my company, we did phenomenal.
Is it true that January is the new spring and now is the time sellers should put their homes on the market?
I think it is. I think that the uncertainty of what was going to go on with the presidency, the fiscal cliff, the dust has all settled. So now people are kind of taking out their wallets and really purchasing homes. And mainly it's because there's certainty in the economy now. So the banks really have extended all the courtesy to kind of educate the consumer, unlike before.
What about banks? Are banks still tight with lending?
It is a little difficult to get a home loan, but the good news is that the rules and regulations are very clear. So it's either you qualify or you don't qualify. So you're not kind of disenchanted with the process where you get started and then midway or towards the tail end you don't get approved. It's kind of like an instant no or an instant yes. So really, whereas in before, a typical home buyer would take about 3 years from the time they thought about buying and shopped around for 3 years before they executed a transaction. Now it's taking 6 months to 1 year.
What are some upcoming concerns for the housing market?
Well, what concerns me is the false hope of short sales. You know, there was a big boom in the short sale industry last year that really slowed down to a crawl because there's some people that can't even afford to short sell, are not in a position to short sell. So it was kind of like false hope. So there was limited inventory, and there's limited inventory now, but at least the inventory that's on the market is legitimate versus in 2007 and 2006, the inventory was kind of fake. It was really people that weren't looking to sell. They were looking to refinance or just kind of get a pat on their shoulder about their great investment that they made that appreciated in value. And they kind of had these wacky out of price numbers that, you know, hey, if someone's willing to give me XYZ, I'll sell it for XYZ. Now there's some really serious sellers that are taking offers.
Thank you for your time. That's Anthony Lolli of Rapid Realty Franchise.
Thank you so much.